Bulls are in control across most markets today. Let us look at where the momentum is strongest. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into gold. Gold climbed to $4,624.10 per troy ounce, a move of plus 2.39% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $4,560 and $4,624.10. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold, silver, or cash, which has been the better crisis hedge over the last 50 years. Fortune. The gold move is partly driven by Mesoblast stock leads 3 Australian growth shares with strong earnings expectations. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, this comes as S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow Jones futures fall as oil prices, Bitcoin jump, Walmart skids on earnings, Investors Business Daily. This comes as S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB, adding pressure to energy markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Meanwhile, Brent crude edged higher plus 0.65% to $94.39. Traders are reacting to news that Dow Jones futures fall as oil prices, Bitcoin jump, Walmart skids on earnings, Investors Business Daily. Meanwhile, WTI crude dipped minus 0.88% to $87.06. Traders are reacting to news that Dow Jones futures fall as oil prices, Bitcoin jump, Walmart skids on earnings, Investors Business Daily. Meanwhile, natural gas edged higher plus 1.46% to $2.77. This comes as S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB, adding pressure to energy markets. Coming back to gold. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on gold. The near-term technical picture for gold looks constructive. Watch the $4,809.06 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on Federal Reserve commentary and real yield movements. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our deep dive on gold. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.